Greetings, we are Team Prakram and we are excited to present a resilient solution to the problem we all encounter but often overlook, that is unnecessary file duplication. Our problem statement is Data Download Duplication Alert System or DDAS, for which we have designed an innovative solution which works by detecting duplicates before the download happens. Starting with the detailed explanation, the first point comes data storage. So it will ask you for the storage of metadata, then it will store file name, date, timestamp, locations and other things, and after it will be requiring APIs for managing metadata and integration. And coming to the most important point, duplicate detection. So it will compare the metadata and file contents and notify the users if any duplicates are found. And all this is happening at the real-time monitoring and updates are being provided regularly. If we talk about performance and security, so it is a secure data storage and at a fast-paced performance. Moving further, how it addresses the problem. So it will first prevents duplicate downloads. It will use metadata and binary comparison to detect duplications accuracy. Then second, real-time alerts. It will notify the users about the potential duplicates at the time when alert is generated. Third, optimize resource usage. So it will reduce your storage consumption of your device and also reduces bandwidth. Fourth, streamlines data management. So it will centralize the metadata and will provide you the reporting and monitoring features. And fifth point, scalable and secure. So it is a cloud-based solution which is best suitable for scalability to adapt the growing data. Moving further with the workflow, it will start with user. User means the whichever person is registered on our system. Then it will be redirected to a login sign up page where she will be having the two options. Request and grant login credentials means जो भी person registered है वो इसको use कर सकता है. And if someone is not registered, so no worries. Second point is there, register new account. तो रजिस्टर न्यू अकाउंट करके वो अपना न्यू अकाउंट बना के या इसको यूज कर सकता है. तो and both of these data is stored in the database. So and after the completion of this process, login sign up page will be redirected to a dashboard. So institutions, companies, business firms, universities, all others will be having their individual dashboards. Then our system will ask for the access and collection of metadata and it will store the metadata of all the files. Then user initiates download request. Now अब user ने एक download request initiate किया, so our system will check if any duplicate entry exists in records or not, and it will be checked by double duplicacy. First will be metadata comparison, second will be binary comparison. तो metadata comparison में क्या होगा, ये फाइल के timestamp, date और साइज और ओरिजिन इन सबको कंपेयर करेगा, और बाइनरी कंपैरिजन पहले वो बिट्स में कंपेयर करेगा और उसके बाद बिट्स को कंपेयर करेगा. Then three options will be there. If user cancels download request, मान लीजिए यूजर ने कैंसिल रिक्वेस्ट ही डाउनलोड कर दिया, तो do not store the metadata. Second, if duplicate entry is found, so if any duplicate entry is found, it will generate the alerts and now alert prompt will be shown up. So alert prompt will contain timestamp, file name, size and many other details of the file. After alert prompt, a user decision box will appear to download file or not download file. So if user proceeds to download the file, new metadata will be stored, and if user does not proceed to download the file, an existing metadata will be stored. And third point is if no duplicate entry is found. So if no duplicate entry is found, so the new metadata will be stored. After all these 3 points, at last the metadata will be get updated. And then comes two options, about us and context us, to know more about us. Then moving with the innovation and uniqueness. So first point is dual detection. तो इसमें metadata comparison होगा, binary comparison होगा, इससे duplicacy check में help रहेगी. Second, कस्टम अलर्ट्स. कस्टम अलर्ट्स मीन्स जब भी कोई अलर्ट प्रोवाइड होगा तो पॉपअप मैसेजेस के थ्रू वो दिखा दिया जाएगा. थर्ड इज इजी इंटीग्रेटिंग, यानी इट इज इजीली अडेप्टेबल टू डिफरेंट डेटाबेस और सॉफ्टवेयर. फोर्थ इज रियल टाइम नोटिफिकेशन. तो जैसे ही कोई अलर्ट आता है वैसे ही उसी रियल टाइम पे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा कि दिस अलर्ट इज बीइंग शोन और दिस फाइल इज डुप्लीकेट. एंड फिफ्थ इज एडवांस्ड बाइनरी कंपैरिजन. तो इसमें क्या होगा, पहले फाइल को बिट्स में कन्वर्ट किया जाएगा, फिर उन बिट्स को कंपेयर किया जाएगा, एंड देन यू विल सी इफ समथिंग इज फाइंड सिमिलर और नॉट. So now technologies to be used in front end, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. In backend, we are using Node.js, Python and Django. In database, we are using MySQL and Apache. In Cloud API, we are using Google Cloud and AWS. Moving further with the challenges and risks. So फर्स्ट इज डेटा प्राइवेसी, तो हमें मतलब कंपाइल करके रहना पड़ेगा विद प्राइवेसी लॉज लाइक GDPR लॉ एंड HIPAA लॉज जो है उनके साथ कंपाइल्ड होना चाहिए. सेकेंड इज परफॉर्मेंस इशू, स्लो प्रोसेसिंग with large datasets must be a common issue. Third, real-time integrity. So you have to maintain the efficient real-time duplicate detection. And fourth is complex data structures. Like if any data is unstructured or complex, then it will show duplicacy in detecting duplicates. What are the strategies to overcome these challenges? So for data privacy, we must implement the encryption with privacy laws. For performance with large datasets, we must implement indexing and distribute processing. For real-time integrity, we must use the cloud storage for real-time processing. And for complex data, we must build some custom rules for unstructured data in specific cases. Moving with feasibility, first comes up scalable infrastructure. So it is an easy scalable large data set that is using cloud-based storage. तो ये कि easily scalable है कि कितना भी बड़ा data हो जाए, it can easily handle that. And comes seamless integration. So it is easily integrated into existing database and system with minimal disruption. ये easily adaptable है different systems में without any disruption, और जो भी होगा तो minimal ही होगा. Then established algorithms, so it will use API models for duplicacy detection. Fuzzy matching means duplication detect करने के लिए, और fuzzy matching similars को find करने के लिए APIs का use करेगा. Then viabilities of this idea are sustainable use. Ongoing data growth ensures a continuous need for duplicate detection system. So क्योंकि data growth is now very much efficient, तो इसकी एक continuous need बनती है market में. And second is high demand. Multiple sectors face duplicate data issues, creating a broad market. क्योंकि different factors में सभी जगह डेटा स्टोर होता है, तो it is a broad market which requires this solution. Moving with potential impact on the target audience. First is institutions and universities. It will help them in better resource management to maintain coordination. And second, researchers and academics, so it will help them to save their time to maintain a collaborative efficiency and data integrity. Third is IT administrators. It will be easy for them to now manage their data. It is storage optimization for them. And with government agencies, it will help them to make the efficient use of public resources and maintain data transparency. Benefits of the solution are, so if we see socially, then it is enhanced collaboration, improved data access, and by increasing user satisfaction. Economically, it will be a cost-saving option. Then optimized resource utilization. Of course, storage consumption is reduced, bandwidth is reduced, and if we see environmental benefits, then it is helping in reducing digital waste, and also it is a sustainable IT practice. These are some sources which we have used for research, and in summary, DDAS helps streamline download, save resources, and keep system clutter-free, whether it is for companies, institutions, or universities. With this, I complete myself here. Thank you.